But before we start, let's see the creator of Kryptonite is Michel Serres. Michel products have always been on the best-selling products for a long time. One of the reasons why his products are favored by a lot of people is that he always focuses on user and makes sure his products accessible and affordable. So what is Kryptonite? Kryptonite is a complete cryptocurrency trading course is designed to turn you into a profitable crypto trading ninja in a short period of time and provide you with all the proven strategies, secret tactics and heat sheets that make your trading process 400 to 500% easier. In this course, you will learn copy-paste system for trading cryptocurrencies explained in simple, easy to understand, crystal clear words. It's the only guide you ever need to get everything all set up to start buying your first digital currency. In this course, the author will teach you the best of what he has learned and implemented to be 400,000% up on his entire investment, along with 7 main strategies to help you pick the most promising and profitable coins to invest in. He will also show you how to spot the optimal price to enter a trade for a short, medium and long-term basis. He'll teach you exactly what to invest in, when to buy, when to sell, and most importantly, teach you the best technical analysis techniques that can help you predict the next market moves in less than 15 minutes with high accuracy, and you will learn with dozens of real-world examples. In this course, you will go from beginner to advanced in cryptocurrency trading. Whether or not you are a beginner or a master, you will learn something from this course. All the tools you need to be successful with cryptocurrencies are included in this course, and the entire course is based on real-life practical knowledge and experience and not based on theory. Now I will show you some features of this course. First, learn everything you need to know about cryptocurrency and go from beginner to advanced in just 10 hours. Create an investment portfolio of cryptocurrencies. Understand what makes a great cryptocurrency as a great long-term investment. Cryptocurrency investment framework made in Excel. Watching out for scams and managing risk. What are the biggest mistakes new investors make in cryptocurrency? How to identify the next great cryptocurrency, what to look for and watch out for. You will learn how to pick cryptocurrencies for day trading or swing trading using only 2 easy to follow rules. Rules number 1 and rule number 2. You will learn how and when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using their unique strategies. Some of their students who never did any trading before started winning trades in just 1 hour. Also, you will learn one of the best day trading cryptocurrency strategies. You will see live trades done by me, videos included in the course or how I find the coin and buy it, and then see the sell order on Binance exchange. How do you read charts and look for buy and sell signals, identify cryptocurrencies with great potential, make huge gains and stick with it for a long term. Become a member of the #1 retail investors cryptocurrency exchange so that you can buy and sell each day. Knows which coins to buy when day trading and which coins have potential for a huge long-term profit. How to trade cryptocurrency broken down into bite-sized steps plus profitable trading experience and strategies. How to knock out a premium hot list of coins in just a few hours and watch your money grow. How to get your wallets and protect them from being hacked. How to register your trading accounts and protect them from being hacked. How to do research and find related information regarding a coin you're interested in. How to see the bigger picture of the cryptocurrency market. How to start with single $100 bill and make it explosive profit. How to take advantage of owning multiple standard currencies. How to protect your money when the market crash. How to use the advanced risk management system, reduce risk and protect your profits effectively. And of course, so much more. And beside all this, you will get 5 bonuses. Bonus number 1, beginner training on Binance exchange platform, value $47. Bonus number 2, how to protect yourself from inflation, value $297. The bonus number 3, my top 5 coins for huge profits, value $497. The bonus number 4, my top 15 prof chips, value $997. And the last bonus, PLR lessons, value $1,415. But now for my honest review, I already watched the course and I find it fantastic. As someone who literally come into trading cryptocurrency with zero knowledge on the subject, after this course I am fully confident trading at low level, techniques, analysis to use, things to look out for, a candlestick chart, and what to expect. The course does what it should do, teach you how to trade cryptocurrencies through the insurance part, and that only about 25% on the course content is dedicated to learning to trade crypto. The other 75% talk about technical analysis in general. Some content repeats itself through the course. Through this, maybe God sends it serve to repeat what you already learned. Great course that it's super in-depth with all aspects of cryptocurrency. I was only expecting to learn the basic of buying, but was through so many different ways to make money via cryptocurrency. The step-by-step videos also help it out heaps. I honestly love this course, and I think that it's fair to say that this is an introductory course of the world of cryptocurrencies and how it's changing our lives every day. It's look hard to find the perfect crypto who will go to up crazy, but this course learns how to hopefully not lose your investments on projects that could not go with a good future. I find one personal issues, I have to turn down the volume all the time when he was speaking too loud. Really enjoyed this course and will be recommended. And of course guys, if you want to purchase the course, the price is only $17 right now, and you will benefit for $7 discount if you shake your mouse like this. The link in the description below guys. And please, if you see this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and see you in the next review.